Vibe coding. C#. Lesson 3.1. Your first C# program. With AI, Visual Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Greg the Vibe Coder. Python is done. 3 lessons. A greeting program, a number game, and a text adventure. Now we're moving into C#, and this is personal for me. C# is the language I play around in the most. C# is used to build professional video games, enterprise applications, Windows tools, real software that real companies ship to real customers. And today, you're going to write your first C# program. It asks your name and your age. It greets you. And it tells you what year you were born. Sounds simple, but this is C#. That's not nothing. Same 4 steps. Let's go. Before we start, you need Visual Studio. Go to visualstudio.microsoft.com and download Visual Studio Community. It's free. When the installer asks what workloads to install, tick .NET Desktop Development. That's the one you need. Fair warning, this is a big download, about 5 to 10 gigabytes. Put it on to install and come back. Once it's done, open Visual Studio. You're ready. Step 1. Copy the prompt. Here it is. Write a C# console application that asks the user for their name and their age, then print a friendly, personalized greeting that includes their name. Calculate what year they were born and print that too. Keep the code simple and beginner-friendly with comments explaining each part. Copying that now. Step 2. Paste into AI, new chat, paste, enter. There it is, a complete C# console application using statements at the top, a main method. Console.readLine to read input, console.writeLine to print output, comments explaining everything. I didn't type a single line. Step 3, run the code. Visual Studio is open. I'm going to create a new project. Search for Console App. Select the C# version. Make sure it says C#, not Visual Basic. Name it Greeting. Click Create. Visual Studio creates a starter file with some default code in it. I'm going to select all of it, Ctrl+A, and delete it. Now paste the AI code in, Ctrl+V. Look at that, a complete C# program in the editor. Press F5 to run. There it is, a personalized greeting, and it calculated what year I was born, without me doing any maths. The program did it. That's C#, running on your machine, professional language, first try. Step 4, the vibe tweak. Find the section in the code that asks for the user's name. It'll look something like the code in the vibe tweak module. It may differ slightly. Then find the greeting line and add one more print below it. Press F5. Now it asks 3 things: name, age, and favorite color, and includes all of them in the response. Not sure where to add it? No problem. Ask your AI. Add a question asking for their favorite color and include it in the greeting. Paste the updated code back in. Press F5, 1 small addition, 3 inputs. The program feels completely different. Now it asks three things: name, age, favorite color, all included in the response. Extra credit. Want to go further? Go back to your AI and paste this. Update the C# greeting program to ask the user 5 questions: name, age, favorite color, favorite food, and dream job. Then print a fun, personalized paragraph using all 5 answers as if writing their biography. Copy it from the lesson page. What you get: a program that asks 5 questions and writes a mini biography using all your answers. 5 inputs, 1 creative output. C# doing something genuinely fun. Before we finish, think about this. C# is used to build real professional software, games, enterprise apps, Windows tools. You just wrote your first C# program. Can you find the line in the code that reads what you typed? Look for a console.readline. That's C# listening to you. That's input. Every program that has ever asked you to type something uses some version of that concept. That's lesson 3.1 done. Next up is lesson 3.2, the age calculator. Type your birthday and get back your exact age in years, months, and days, plus a countdown to your next birthday. Real date maths, real C#. One prompt. Links to everything are below. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in lesson 3.2.